Most people walk past AEDs every day without thinking twice about them. But in cardiac emergency, that small device can make a life-saving difference. Hi everyone, this is Dave with Safe Life. Today we are going to walk through how to use a LIFEPAK CR2 AED and how to quickly check that it is rescue ready. Now the good news is AEDs like this one are designed to be very easy to use. In fact, they are built so that even someone with little or no medical background can step in and help during an emergency. And no, you do not have to be a doctor to use one. However, we do recommend training so you feel confident and prepared if emergency ever happens. The LIFEPAK CR2 AED will guide you through the rescue with clear voice prompts and simple visual instructions. In this video, we will cover 3 things. First, how to check if the AED is rescue ready. Second, where the pads and battery are located. And third, how to use the LIFEPAK CR2 AED during a cardiac emergency. Let's start with the most important question. Is the AED ready if you ever need it? The LIFEPAK CR2 AED performs regular automatic self-tests to make sure the device is functioning properly. The quickest way to confirm the device is ready is to check the readiness indicator on the handle of the AED. When the AED is ready for rescue, you will see a green light indicator. The green light is exactly what you want to see. It means the device has passed its self-checks and is ready to be used if an emergency occurs. If the device detects a problem, the indicator may change color or the AED may alert that service is required. During routine inspections, it is also a good idea to check a few simple things. Make sure the pads are present and sealed. Confirm the pads are within their expiration date. Check that the battery is properly installed. And give the device a quick visual inspection to make sure everything looks in good condition. These quick checks only take a minute and help ensure the AED will be ready if someone needs it. Now let's take a quick look at where the pads and batteries are located. The electro pads for the LIFEPAK CR2 AED are stored inside the front of the device. When you open the lid, you will see the Quick Step electro pads package. These pads are pre-connected to the AED so they are ready to use as soon as you remove them from the package. The illustration on the pads clearly show when they should be placed on the patient's chest, which helps make this process quick and straightforward during an emergency. The battery is located on the back of the AED. This battery powers the device and allows it to perform the automatic self-test. If you would like a closer look at the pads and battery, you can also watch our full pads and battery video linked below. But as long as the battery is installed correctly and the readiness indicator is green, the AED should be rescue ready. Now that we know the AED is rescue ready, let's walk through how to use it during a cardiac emergency. If someone collapses and is unresponsive, call emergency services immediately and send someone to retrieve the AED. Begin chest compressions once the AED arrives. Place it next to the patient and open the lid. Opening the lid will turn the device on. Right away, the AED will begin giving voice instructions to guide you through the rescue.
Adult mode, child mode.
First, expose the patient's chest. Remove the pads from the package and peel off the backing. Place the pads on the patient's bare chest exactly as shown on the pad illustrations. One pad goes on the upper right side of the chest. The second pad goes on the lower left side of the chest. Once the pads are attached, the AED will analyze the patient's heart rhythm and guide you through the next steps. The LIFEPAK CR2 AED includes CPR Insight analysis technology, which allows the device to analyze the heart rhythm while chest compressions are still being performed. This helps reduce pause in CPR and keeps blood flowing during the rescue. If shock is advised, the AED will tell you what to do next. If you are using a semi-automatic model, the device will prompt you to press the shock button. Make sure everyone is clear of the patient before pressing the button. If you are using a fully automatic model, the AED will warn rescuers to stay clear and will deliver the shock automatically if one is needed. After the shock, the AED will continue to guide you through CPR. Just continue following the voice prompts from the AED until emergency responders arrive. The LIFEPAK CR2 AED is designed to be simple, reliable, and ready to help when every second matters. By performing quick routine inspections and understanding how the device works, you can make sure it is ready if a cardiac emergency happens. If managing inspections, training, and compliance feels overwhelming, we also offer AED compliance and readiness programs that help organizations keep their devices ready to rescue and compliant year-round. You can visit our website or give us a call to learn more about these options. We will also link it below. If you have questions about the LIFEPAK CR2 AED or other AED products, our team is always here to help. You can learn more by visiting us today. Stay ready, stay safe. Thanks for watching.